สวัสดีครับมาอยู่สไปเดอร์แมนเช่นเคยนะใน EP.5 นะโอเคไปกันเลย
Of course it's locked. Can't have people stealing garbage. Maybe there's another way in. It's not really breaking and entering if I don't break anything, right? Okay, no need to panic. Maybe they haven't dumped the trash yet. Nada. Okay, time to panic.
Empire Sanitation, this is Eddie.
Sorry, is there any chance the truck wasn't at the garage?
Sure, I guess. Just means it'd be somewhere in West Chinatown.
Great. I'm headed there now.
Hey, it's a long shot, but sometimes the guys stop for pizza before they drop off.
Really? I'll check out the pizza shops. Any idea which one?
One of the mom and pop joints, I think.
Jerry's?
No, that's uptown.
I mean original Jerry's.
Oh, right. No, started with an L, I think.
Larry's?
That's on the east side.
Wait, I think I see the trucks. Thanks, Eddie.
No worries. Hope you find your stuff.
Should be some trucks close by.
Spider-Man, over here.
Nope, stuff's not here. There has to be another truck around here.
Only been in this video weekend and already I run into you. Can't believe it.
Wait till Mom sees this.
Hey.
I was gonna buy a new security.
No sign of my stuff. What an interesting smell.
Well, crime rate's down.
Eddie, you're my only hope.
Not there either, huh?
You sure they were around here?
Well, the guys might have switched routes due to the upcoming Osborne rally. If your pickup was on Route 35, they'd be dropping off at the incinerator right now.
Incinerator?
Over by Manhattan Bridge. Better hustle.
There's the incinerator. Hope I'm not too late. Uh-oh, looks like trouble.
Hey,
Late night.
nope, not okay. Thanks, Spider-Man.
You okay?
Yeah, thanks. This gang's been terrorizing the whole neighborhood the last couple of days. There's probably more of them on the way.
I'll keep an eye out. Hey, mind if I look around for some personal items?
Sure, have at it. I gotta go file an incident report.
There's something there. Gotta move these bags out of the way.
Hey.
I think that's it.
Oh.
Please be here, please be here. Yes! Hope it still works. Phew, looks like everything's here.
Prototype wave.
Hey, look. An old gadget prototype. Looks kinda awesome. Why didn't I ever finish it? think I can make this work.
อันนี้ยังอันนี้ยังเออ
Got it.
Look, is that guy Spider-Man?
Uh-oh.
Ice him.
อ้าวมันให้ยังไงวะเดี๋ยวแป๊บนึงพอเดี๋ยวแป๊บนึง
Look, is that guy Spider-Man?
Uh-oh.
Ice him.
อ๋อ
Get over here! That's the thing there! Bash your head in! You're done, dirty sugar turtle! Take that weapon! I know yours is better than mine! Bring me all of it! How is you fight him up there, huh? Don't make me hurt you!
Okay, well, this night isn't quite going as planned. Where am I gonna sleep? Guess I could try MJ's.
อ๋อ
All right, how am I gonna talk my way onto MJ's couch? Let's see. Hi MJ, it's Peter. Any chance I could... stay over it? Oh, that's too formal. MJ! I was just in the neighborhood and... oh, that's lame. Hey, MJ, now that we're talking again, I thought maybe... okay, that just sounds pathetic. Why am I making this such a big deal? We're just friends, right? Friends crash on each other's couches all the time. It's not weird or anything. It's just a couch. MJ's couch. Oh, what am I thinking?
เจ๋แล้วไง
Just got a web alert. Huh. Looks like MJ's story just got published. I think I'll find somewhere else to stay. She's probably busy with work. I wish Harry was in town. I could crash with him. Someone left me a voicemail. The number's blocked, though.
Hey there, Spider. Long time no see. Miss me? Come to this address. Catch me if you can.
Uh-oh. I think I know that voice.
Hello, Spider. Been thinking about you a lot lately. We were good together, weren't we? Maybe it's time to
Black Cat.
reignite the flame.
Black Cat. Don't tell me she's scoping out places to rob. She promised she would give up that life. What was she looking at? Anything look out of place? There. One of her cats. She packs those with range extenders, then harvests nearby RFID signals. I'll let Yuri know to pick it up. Felicia's too smart to be putting herself at risk like this. She must be desperate for some reason. Better keep an eye out. Hey Yuri, you still have Black Cat's suit and equipment in the evidence lockup, right?
I think so. Why? Is she back at it?
Maybe. Just double check and let me know if her gear is still there.
Will do.
Hey May, you're calling late. What's up?
I thought we were gonna meet up for dinner tonight.
Oh, right. I'm sorry, I forgot. It's been a hard day. We lost funding at the lab.
Oh, Peter, I'm sorry.
I also kinda got evicted from my apartment.
What? Do you have a place to stay tonight?
Actually, no. Not really. I hate to ask, but any chance you have room at the shelter?
Of course. Feel free to use the couch in my office.
Thanks, May.
Cay thử á. Ê,ได้อยู่ อ้าวกระเป๋ามาอยู่ตรงนี้ได้ไงอ่ะ
Can't believe I haven't slept since the Fisk takedown. Gotta start taking better care of myself.
มันขึ้นอยู่ไหนอ่ะ นี่ไงทางขึ้นอยู่นี่ แต่เราไม่ได้ตีเราไปไหนวะ
What are you doing here so
นี่
late?
ไง
So, I got the job.
Hope May's couch is comfortable.
Recommendation really helps. People know that when she says something,
อะไรอ่ะ
Man, was I ever a dork. Well, we all have an awkward phase.
Inside the building, after Spider-Man and the NYPD had moved in, which took much longer than police had hoped. However, once things quieted down, it wasn't long before Pete himself
Miss you.
being escorted out of the building, handcuffed and in custody. This marks a big win for police and the first major takedown for Fisk, hoping to end his long-term reign over the city. And as of this morning, most
I can't take this.
You can and you will.
I'll pay you back. Soon.
Just ask for help next time. Oh, you are so much like Ben. You have to learn to swallow that Parker pride and accept that you're human, like the rest of us. Martin,
Sorry to interrupt. Just wanted to let you know I'm headed out of town. You're in charge while I'm gone.
well, you can count on me. How long will you be away?
Really don't know.
Is everything okay?
It's some personal business I've been planning for a while. but please take care of this place. It represents the best part of me.
Well, I guess I better get busy.
Hope Mr. Lee's okay. Are you sure you can spare that money?
Easily. Working here leaves very little time to spend money, and I'm just fine with that.
Oh.
Hello?
Hey, did you see my story?
I did. Robbie must be pretty happy right now.
Yeah, it kinda went viral. And get this, Mayor Osborne just announced he's going to give Officer Davis an award this afternoon.
Wow. Wait, isn't Osborne's campaign rally this after? Oh, I see what he's doing.
Yeah, we all do. But still a pretty cool moment for Officer Davis and his family. I'll be there covering it. Wanna join me?
Yeah, of course. See you then.
โอ้โหสุดยอดไปแล้วทำภารกิจ
It's so humiliating taking money from May. I should head out into the city and try to pay it forward.
Come on, Pidgey, just a little.
โอ้โห
Howard, long time no see. How's Pidgey doing?
He's a little down today. Misses his cousins. Been a bit of a whirlwind for both of us. Owners of my building rezoned for commercial. We had to move into Feast to get our bearings.
I'm so sorry. New York landlords can really be heartless.
When they kicked me out of my place, they set all my birds loose. Pidgey's the only one who found me. I've been looking everywhere for the rest of them, but with my bad leg and all...
You know what? I get around. How about I keep an eye out for him?
You do that? Oh, thank you. If you have any luck, please give me a call.
Hey, Jeff. Congrats on the ceremony today.
I'll be glad when it's over. A truck full of armed demons scares me less than public speaking. But I'm calling about something else.
What's up?
Just got a tip that the demons are moving on a Fisk construction site in Midtown. My wife would kill me if I ditched the ceremony prep to play cops and robbers, but I thought maybe my friendly neighborhood partner would want to know.
Understood. I'll do a swing by, let you know what I find. And hey, here's a tip on public speaking. Just picture everyone in their underwear. Wait, not Osborne. You know what? Just never mind.
Oh, ตึกนี้ดูคุ้นๆตาให้
Consolidated shipping. Jeff, I'm here.
What do you see?
คนงานเนี่ย
Find the rest. The boss wants them dead.
Looks like the demons are moving in on Fisk's territory.
You got this?
I got this. Nap time.
来就会明白的。3号单位，3号没反应，谁过去看看3号？这就去。我们有辅助督客，战果靠拢，处决蜘蛛的荣誉就交给我吧。
มานี่ไปไหนอ่ะ
一定要找到他，继续搜。啊
Sleep it off. You got what you came for. You don't need to kill us too.
Fisk's territory is ours now.
Not today.
蜘蛛侠来了，马上警报！这城市会很快竞争建议得到伸张。时间到了，笑啊！你跑不了。
มาดิ
Hey, Willie.
You.
Nice jumpsuit. Slimming.
Stay out of my
ฟิก
business.
เหรอ
Wait, the demons. Who's their leader?
Keep my men alive and maybe I'll tell you.
Saving bad guys from other bad guys. Not how I thought today would go. Literally didn't see that coming.
Oh,
Hey,
ตัว
big
ใหญ่
guy.
เยี่ยมปาร์ตี้
You okay?
Yeah. Yeah, thanks.
Gotta find the survivors fast. like I'm clear, but I gotta be more careful.
ไหนวะไปไหนอ่ะโธ่ปล่อยไม่ปล่อยใยวะโอ้โหตายซะก่อนแม่งมันไม่ตายอยู่แล้วอ่ะมันอ่ะ
Gotta find the survivors fast.
โอ้หลายชั้นเหลือเกิน
You two stay here. Wait for the police. Fisk, your men are safe. Your turn. Who runs the demons?
Maybe he's there. Maybe he isn't. Check the roof.
I've missed these cryptic Fisk talks. Again? Oh, come on. No! Did that just happen? Yeah.
I'm getting reports of a helicopter with a wrecking ball.
Yeah, things with the demons got complicated. Sit tight, Yuri. I got this. Please, let me have this. Whoa, rockets!
That helicopter is destroying the city.
I know.
You need to bring it down.
I know.
Maybe you could superhero a little faster?
Working on it, Yuri. Call you when it's done. Hope I live to regret this. Hi, is this the flight to Newark? Afraid I have to ask you to pull over the helicopter, sir. One engine down. Now for the second. This is your master plan? Replace Fisk?
Fisk is only the beginning!
Need to disable the second engine. Need a plan. Need a plan real fast. I guess this is the plan! Come on, Pete, you got this. You got this, you got this, you got this!
Bye.
Need a plan. Need a plan real fast. I guess this is the plan! Come on, Pete, you got this. You got this, you got this, you got this!
Yeah,
Let's screw this up.
Ay.
These masks are so awesome. Where do you get them?
Oh, he's Solomon!
Cool, thanks. Do they have a website?
Yes!
Whoops. Hey, Yuri. I caught the bad guys, but
But what?
you might want to bring a ladder. Yo, Miles.
เฮ้ย นี่มัน
Hey, fanboy.
มายเมอร์เลนนี่
Oh, crap, I'm late.
You coming?
Nah, I gotta get to City Hall for my dad's ceremony.
All right. Tell your pops I said congrats.
เปิดตัวมาอย่างราบรื่นเลยอะ
MJ, Did they start the ceremony yet?
They're still setting up. Where are you?
Got hung up at work. Be there soon. Another message from Doc.
Peter, I don't want to jinx us, but the lead I'm following might not only get the project back on its feet, but also expand it in ways we never could have imagined. Everything happens for a reason, even Norman pulling our plug.
Really hope this works out. Doc's work is too important to go unfinished.
All units, report of a break-in. Location is south of Houston.
There's the stage entrance. And we'll be right out front.
Sounds like a lot of people out there.
You'll be fine, honey.
Last time I gave a speech, I was in high school. Miss Steinberg gave me a C-.
Well, if only Miss Steinberg could see you now.
Hey, you got this, Dad. I mean, come on, you saved Spider-Man. I'm pretty sure that makes you an official superhero.
A superhero. Or maybe I'm just a guy who doesn't give up.
Come on, honey.
Welcome, everyone. And before I hand it off to Mayor Osborne, I'd just like to say a few words.
So?
I think this gang war may finally be over.
Like over?
I mean, there's some loose ends still to be tied up, but...
Loose ends.
Well, a truck pulled away from the scene from a company called Consolidated Shipping. Something's not right about it. I just don't know what.
Well, maybe after this we can grab some coffee. Figure it out together.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, Jim. Couldn't have said it better myself, but I'll try. We all know that Officer Davis is a hero.
But, instead of coffee, maybe we could have dinner instead. I could come over, I'll cook. Or we could, meet at a totally neutral location for a completely normal meal, cooked by professionals.
For acts of extraordinary bravery, above and beyond the call of duty, it is my privilege to present Officer Jefferson Davis with the Department Medal of Honor.
Phone call, sir.
Kind of in the middle of something here, Jim.
Sounds urgent, sir.
Fine. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. I share this honor with my family. My wife, Rio, and my son, Miles. Without their support, I couldn't do what I do.
Yes?
I've worked many years for this moment.
Who is this?
Over the coming days, your company, your city, and everything you care about will be destroyed. People will beg you for help, but you won't be able to save them.
Listen, jackass. I get threats like this twice a week. Why don't you grow a pair and tell me what you want?
To watch you suffer.
เฮ้ย
Miles! Miles, are you okay? Miles! Miles! Peter! Come on, Peter. Miles! Miles! Right here, just stay with me. Thank God. Can you hear me, baby? Can you hear me? Peter? Squeeze my hand if you can hear me. Stay here. I'm going to find your father. Peter. Peter, wake up. Come on, say something, please.
Mom! Crazy. Over there.
We've lost contact with Susan McAfee, broadcasting from the Osborne rally. We'll keep you updated as we find out new information. Again, breaking news, we're getting reports of explosions in the financial district, in the vicinity of the Osborne rally. No
ไปทางไหนอ่ะ
Okay, I'm gonna use your belt to tie it off. It's gonna hurt a little bit.
Whoa! Oh man!
เราเล่นเป็นไม้
Mom? Mom! Damn it! Hurry! Flipping!
Miles!
Are you okay?
Nice going, kid.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Are you okay?
I'm alright, Mom. I'm alright. You sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna be alright.
Alright, Lisa. I have to go find Dad, okay?
No, wait. Miles, no. Miles, no!
Dad's in there. I'll find him.
Miles! Stay here! Please!
Dad's alive. I know it. He was right there. What the hell?
Where do you think you're going?
Into the shadows.
Through
Through there.
看看讲台那里有没有活人。还有什么要的？没动静，接着找。
Gotta find a way around these guys. Okay.
是什么？话说，刚刚听到东西。这里没有活人，我们走吧。这里究竟开始的。
Dad was right there. Gotta help him. Now.
谁在那儿？修建一场，真为安全的。眼睛睁大点，有开了。
I got you, Dad.
No! Stop! No!
Enough! We have to leave. Now!
Dad. Dad! Dad! Dad, no! Wake up, Dad. Wake up. Wake up.
สูญเสียพ่อไปแล้วมา เศร้าเนาะอ้าวมันแจมด้วยเหรอวะน่ะ
I'm sorry for your loss. Do I know you? I'm Peter Parker. I was at City Hall when... Look, I know you don't know me, but I just wanted to say... I know what you're going through. That's what you were gonna say, right? Or it all gets easier with time. Or don't worry. It's part of God's plan. I'm sorry. I was just trying to help. I know.
I'm sorry about that. I don't know what I'm gonna do with him.
I'm sorry, Jeff.
I'm busy. What's up?
Have you started looking for Martin Lee yet?
No, I told you I can't start a manhunt based on a hunch from Spider-Man.
But I'm telling you, he's the guy.
Get me some solid evidence and we'll talk.
Solid evidence. Right. Hey, it's me.
Hey, so what are you thinking?
I'm thinking I screwed up, and that kid lost his father.
I know you too well to say you should give yourself a break. What about the police? Do they have any leads on Lee?
They're not even looking for him. Even Yuri doesn't believe me.
Then it's up to us to find him. I've been doing some research. Go to this address. Martin Lee bought a controlling interest in this recycling center last year.
You think he's hiding out there? Please,
Maybe.
don't ask me to do the hand.
We know he's not at Feast. If he's not at the recycling center, maybe you'll find some evidence as to where he might be.
Yeah. Good work, MJ. I'll let you know what I find.
Oh, one more thing. I talked with a detective about questioning
there.
the arrested demons. They're all claiming Martin Lee has the power to, quote, corrupt people.
Corrupt? What does that mean?
They say it's sort of like mind control. It brings out the negative part of you. Makes you do things you wouldn't normally do.
Sounds a little far-fetched.
This coming from a guy who can run up walls.
Subway's that way.
โอเคก็ขอจบเพียงแค่นี้นะครับก็ต่อ EP 6 ได้เลยนะครับก็รับชมต่อวันพรุ่งนี้ได้เลยโอเคก็ไว้พบกันใหม่นะครับสวัสดีครับผม